Hi there, I'm Miss Funny Business. I've been teaching Microsoft Excel for over 20 years, and I'm so excited to introduce you to my newest series for Office 2024 and 365. I've perfected a curriculum built on one core belief, that students truly master software only when they work in the actual program and are challenged to problem solve their way through it. By letting my students work directly in Excel, I've consistently seen over 90% of them, freshmen, not only pass the MOS certification test, but remember and continue to use the program long after they've left my classroom. I built this to be a one-time purchase for your department. No annual fees, no seat licenses, you buy it once, and it's a permanent asset in your classroom. My method encourages self-sufficiency and independence. First, students watch. These are chaptered videos where students learn the logic behind the features. If they're struggling with a filter function or sequence, they can watch that section as many times as they need. The video doesn't show them their exact assignment. It teaches them the skills and then challenges them to figure out how to use those skills on their own. That's how the learning really sticks. Next is practice. Students open the actual Excel program and work through mini lessons. To keep the classroom moving, I've included a silent solution video for every lesson. This shows the entire assignment from start to finish. It's a lifesaver for visual learners, building student confidence and keeping the class productive even when there's a sub. Finally, they apply it. Every 2 lessons, they complete a real-world application to prove they've synthesized the information. This is a true blended learning format. In my classroom, my students just go. They put on their headphones and they work at their own pace. This frees me up to act as a guide, sitting with students who need that one-on-one support and letting the faster students breeze through it all. And grading is incredibly simple. I built a specialized print sheet into the Excel files that automatically scores formulas and functions and shows screenshots for all other features. Not only does this make it easy for me to grade an entire class in a matter of minutes, but it also gives students immediate feedback so they know they got it right. See if this hands-on approach is right for your students. Download the free trial today and get started. Thank you.